yung ginaganon yung ipin mo. Ganyan ah. Ganyan. Ang pangit. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, I kind of missed this kind of sit down video. It's been a while I haven't do a sit down video with you guys, so I can feel it like I miss it already. So we've been for like 3 days in camping, so we just got back like a couple days ago, so I still have those tired feeling. But anyways, I missed this sit down video. So but anyways, we just got home from Asian store. We went to Asian store just to bought a couple things that I need for cooking. So yeah, I decided not to vlog anyways. So we're gonna talk about this one. So I used it long time ago, like 2 years ago, and this crisp white strip. So I have one left a long time ago, like 2 years ago. This one, I don't know, I'm scared to use it, but we're just gonna open the box. It's 20 whitening strips, like top and the bottom. So I decided to go back and try it again, because I don't know, I just want to try it because I tried it already and I experienced it. It's a bit like has a weird feeling, like pinching your nerves, those gums. You're gonna feel like pinching nerves, so that's why the reason I stopped it like 2 years ago, because I cannot like tolerate the weird feeling, maybe because of the chemicals on it to, like, you know, to whiten your teeth. But I tried it before. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is like effective, very effective. So we'll see if I can do it now, because I know that feeling, like it's hurt. I'm gonna tell you, it's hurt, but not too bad. Not really hurt, but it's hurt, like pinching nerves. That's what you're gonna feel when you start putting it in your teeth. So but it does a good job. It whitens your teeth like for 30 minutes. You put it on your teeth for 30 minutes because it says 30 minutes. Leave it in your teeth, and after you take it off for 30 minutes, you can see the change already. It's not gonna look really white in your teeth, but you can see the difference. It whitens your teeth. So the problem is kind of scared for this, because I don't like those feeling that pinching my nerves, my gums, all over my gums. So let's find out today. So we're gonna test it today. We're gonna try two whitening strip today. So we're gonna try 2 whitening. It's basically 2 because it's gonna on the bottom and then on the top. I mean, it's supposed to be 2 because you're gonna have to put top and bottom. So we're gonna try it today. So we'll see how it's look like. Oh my god, I'm scared already. So I'm just gonna tolerate the pain, something like that, like pinching nerves. So we're gonna put it today for you guys. I'm gonna show you how to put it on my teeth, and yeah. Alright guys, I already brushed my teeth, so I'm nervous. So ayan guys, ayan, this is my natural teeth. Ayan, pero kind of like I don't want to show you, but anyways, okay, just for the vlog. So So I don't have teeth over there. So wala akong teeth dito sa kabila. Yan. This is root canal and that's empty. So anyways, who cares? So welcome to my mouth, welcome to my teeth, welcome to my healthy teeth. Healthy teeth. So buksan na natin guys. Let's open it. I'm not gonna use the old one though. Kind of scared to use it already. So I'm just gonna using the new package. Let's open it up. The package. And I'm nervous. I was telling you, I'm nervous using this because it's like, it's hurt. Not really bad, but it's still like pinching nerves. You can feel it in your gums. So you know what, why reminds me this to use it again? Because at work I was helping cashier, so a lot of people buying these, and I see it like how people can tolerate the kind of like pain or pinching nerves since you put it in your mouth. So I think they can tolerate it. So it gave me an idea to use it again, to try it again. So okay, let's try it again. Kind of hard to open. Try natin guys. So I'm excited and at the same time nervous because we'll see if I can still feel the weird feeling on my gums. Ang hirap mambuksan yan, nabuksan ko na siya. Yay, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. This one is quite expensive. No, I mean not quite expensive. It is expensive. For 20 strip treatment, 10 treatment, 20 strip, 10 treatments each with one upper and one lower. I paid for this like $18.98, something like that, almost $20. So but yep, it is expensive. So ayun yung ano niya, itsura niya guys. Yan. Oh my god, I dropped it all. So anyways, let's pick it up later. So this is how it look like. Oh, I told you this is different packaging already. Where's the old one? I lost the old one. This is way different than the old one that I have, that I used before. Hold on guys, I'll be right back. See the difference guys? This is the old one that I have before, that I'm used, and this is the new one. Look how different is that. So anyways, they're like different packaging now, so I'm not gonna use the old one. I'm gonna use the new one. So paano ba to? Iikot ko lang yung camera ko guys ha. Yan. So it says number 1 is peel, number 2 is apply, and number 3 is reveal, and wear for 30 minutes. And for one package, it has one upper and lower strip, so they're all together, the upper and lower. So let's peel it up. Oh my god, I'm nervous. I'm nervous because I know this feeling. I used to try it before guys. Ooh, this is how it look like guys. Clear. Yan, you can see yan, very clear, kind of like gel, clear plastic with the gel inside. Yeah. I'm sorry, my eyes, you can see my eyes is like tired, but I'm tired. I've been do a lot today, so yeah, it's one in the upper and one in the lower. So I bet this is for upper, and then this is the shorter one is for the lower teeth. So okay, I noticed guys, I noticed that the shorter one This one is the upper, and then this one, the longer one, is in the bottom. So okay. I'm really nervous. I'm gonna like, how can I tolerate the weird feeling for 30 minutes though? Okay, let's do it, guys, because this one is expensive, quite expensive, so we'll see if I can tolerate it. Alright guys, na-peel ko na siya. I already fill it up. I'm just gonna put it on my top teeth. Just kidding. I'm not gonna scare you guys, okay? I tried it before. It's not really bad, so we'll see. Why is it like long? Does it look like that? Probably. Oh, I have no idea how it's gonna put on. So guys, only front teeth cover though, not the entire teeth of front teeth. That's how it look like, guys. And then next, move on to lower teeth. See guys, parang pumuputi siya, oh. Ayan, oh. Kikita niyo na. Ayan, oh. Regular original teeth. Ayan, oh. Actually, I didn't feel nothing yet. Ayaw dumikit na sa baba kasi naglalaway na ako. Excuse me. Actually guys, wala akong nararamdamang tawag dito, like weird feeling on my gums. So yeah, hopefully it's gonna stay like that. I don't feel nothing. So that's a good thing. I didn't feel like pinching nerve or something. We'll see. So I'm gonna set it for my teeth, and so I'm gonna set this whitening teeth strip for my teeth for 30 minutes. Ang hirap magsalita, guys. And that's how it look like, guys. Yan. Yan yung tsura, guys. Yan. Yeah, that's how it look like, guys. Yan. So I'm just gonna leave it for 30 minutes, guys. Oh, super some. Anyways, and it feels weird, guys. You can see. So I'm just gonna leave it for 30 minutes. Oh, what time is it? So let's start counting. Like, it is 7:50 p.m. already here. So I guess I'll be back in 30 minutes, and let's see how it's look like. While waiting for 30 minutes, I'm just gonna sit in front of my computer and watching vlogs, and I guess I will see you later, guys. Nakikita ko po talagang na siya. Alam nyo, guys, I'm gonna tell you something. This is really effective. So now that I know that I didn't feel nothing weird, so tomorrow I'm gonna use this like every day till I finish the 20 strips. We'll see. I'll be back with you guys. How's the result for the whole pack, and I'm gonna give you a review, guys, like if like really worth it to buy those kind of like expensive whitening strip. So yeah, I'm gonna use it every day, and I'm gonna give you a review for it, guys. Abangan nyo yung review, and ipapakita ko yung resulta din ng teeth. So for now, guys, bye. I'll see you in 30 minutes. Yun siya guys, oh. So anyways, goodbye! I'll see you in 30 minutes. So hi guys, I'm back. It's been 30 minutes already. I start putting it on my teeth like 7:50. So it is 8:10 p.m. Oh no, 8:20 p.m. I'm supposed to take it off at 8:20. So this is how it's look like guys. Yan siya. So nauhaw man ako kasi pag naglagay ka nito maninibago ka kasi pag hindi ka pa sanay parang laway ka ng laway. So yung feeling ko ayaw kong lunokin yung laway ko, inaano ko siya. Ini-spit ko yung laway ko tapos yun, tuloy, nauhaw ako, uhaw na ako. I need to drink water, but this is how it's look like guys for 30 minutes. Ayan. Dito. Tatry ko to, uubusin ko yung buong pack nito. And then, magbibigay ako ng review guys. Abangan nyo yung review kung talagang effective siya. Pumuti ba talaga yung ipin ko. And yeah, abangan nyo na lang yung review ko nito. It's gonna be maybe 10 days because I was wrong. It's 20 strip kasama na yung baba. Taas baba. So bali, ano lang siya, 10 strip. Kumbaga. So, ano, bali 10 days ko siyang gagamitin bago ko maubos tong 1 pack. So I mean 1 pack or 1 box, whatever you call that. So anyways, yan ang itsura guys ng whitening strip. Yan siya. What do you think guys? It's gonna be whiten my teeth for like just try it for a day. So just one try. See. Take off na natin guys. Oh my god. Ang hirap niyang tanggalin. Parang sobrang dikit na dikit talaga sa ngipin mo guys. Hindi yan yung laway ko guys ha. Yung glue yan eh. Yung glue ng... Oh, see? Yung glue siya ng ipin. Uy. May towel ako. Mag-prepare lang kayo ng towel guys pag nag-ano kayo nito kasi maglalaway kayo na maglalaway. Pero may naiwan siyang glue sa ipin mo. Ayun guys, parang pumuti siya guys. Ayan oh. In fairness, pumuti siya guys oh. Pumuti yung top ng ipin ko. Sabi ko sa inyo effective to eh. Talagang makikita nyo yung changes ng ipin mo. Continue mo lang siya. I'm sure if I'm gonna finish the 10 strip top in the bottom, my teeth's gonna like change a lot. Ayun na siya guys. Oh, di ba? Ayan, naglighten yung color ng ipin ko guys. So, naglighten yung color ng ipin ko guys. So, in fairness guys, ewan ko kung sa camera lang parang pumuti siya, pero sa salamin nagbago yung kulay ng ipin ko. Naglighten siya ng konti. Hindi naman konti, pero malaki yung pinagbago. Ay iko-continue ko tong whitening strip na to. Iko-continue ko to hanggang sa maubos tong na to. Siguro puputi na yung ipin ko. Sa mga madiriin dyan, pasensya na sa bidyong ito nung pag-peel off ko ng whitening strip. Pasensya na guys. I'm sorry about that. But that's how you peel it off. So, but yeah, ayun guys yung ipin natin. Pumuti yung sa top. Pumuti siya. Ayan, pumuti siya. Yan. So, anyways, so that's it for today's vlog guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye everyone. Bye.